Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In today's video, I'll show you the latest updated method to install ESign on your iPhone or iPad without a PC and without jailbreak. Plus, I'll guide you on how to install IPA files easily on iOS 16, iOS 17, and even the latest iOS 18.3.2. So, let's get started. First open Safari, and then open this website, and then hit on the DNS on top. Then hit on the 5th DNS, and then hit on the download link, and then hit allow to download the DNS profile in your iOS device. Now open Setting, then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install DNS profile in your iOS device. Now open the same website again. I will put the website link in the description. Then hit on the signer on top, and then you will see on top different ESign links. Now simply hit any one of the ESign link, and then hit Install to install ESign in your iOS device. If one link don't work, then you can try other ESign link as well. Once ESign app is installed in your iOS device, now open Setting, then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management. Then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let ESign app work in your iOS device. After restart, you will see ESign app will start working properly without any problem. Now open the same website again, and then hit on Signer on top, and then go to the last ESign link, and then hit on it, and then hit Download to download ESign cert zip file in your iOS device. Now open ESign app again, and then hit on 3 dots on top, and then hit Import. Then simply select the downloaded ESign cert zip file. Now hit on the imported ESign cert zip file and then hit on Unzip, and then you will have new ESign certs folder. Now open the new ESign certs folder, and now you need to select the same name link file in which you used to install the ESign app. And then hit Import Certificate Management. And now we are good to install IPA files in our iPhone or iPad. Simply download the IPA file you want to install in your iOS device. Then open ESign app, and then hit on 3 dots on top, and then hit Import. Then select the IPA file you want to install, and then hit Import again. Now hit on Apps, and then hit on your imported IPA file, and then hit Signature. Then open More Settings, and then scroll down at bottom, and then enable the second last option, and then hit Signature. Then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install your IPA file in your iOS device. And that's it. You've successfully installed ESign and sideloaded IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without a computer or jailbreak. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more iOS tricks and updates. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.